The scuffle continues. It is no retreat, no surrender, even as the Kenyan fight against the Al-Shabaab militia appears to intensify in Somalia. In deep contrast with the earlier allegations that the Kenya government could be in the shadow of talks with the Somali militants, Defense Minister Yusuf Haji has come out in full swing to refute the allegations, saying no diplomatic approach has so far been employed since the war began 2 weeks ago.
Hayo mimi sijui. Kama unaniuliza kama tunapigana na Al-shabaab, nikamwambia ndio, lakini mazungumzo mimi sina habari.
The Somali president had in the past few days given a statement purporting that the Kenyan troops are not welcome to Somalia, but Haji says no official communication has been made to the Kenyan government and therefore making it a fabrication.
Hatujapata maneno rasmi kutoka kwa rais wa Somalia. Tumemwandikia barua kumuuliza kwamba afafanue kama yeye amesema hiyo na kama hakusema pia aseme. Kwa hivyo natarajia kufikia Jumatatu mtapata habari kamili.
US Ambassador to Kenya Scott Gratian has also affirmed that the US government will always stand in solidarity with the Kenyan government in pursuit of protecting its territories.
I pledged our support to help the Kenya, certainly in the internal stability situations, and just the same way that Kenya has stood with the United States on our war on terrorism, we will certainly stand with our Kenyan partners.
Ambassador Gratian has distanced its forces in the Kenyan operation with the Al-Shabaab, but said US will be willing to offer technical support if and when the situation in Somalia dictates.
It will continue to be a strong partnership, and if the Kenya needs more equipment or more maintenance, we'll look at those requests, and certainly we'll do our best to ensure that Kenyan has the capacity that it needs to defend itself internally and outside. We are not involved in Somalia, and we're not involved in the operations that support Somalia beyond what we do and have done in providing technical support and equipment to the Kenyan military. So I will say it again, we are not in Somalia, we are not involved in the operations in Somalia.
The defense minister, however, said that the Kenyan soldiers will not relent in the war, despite the uncertainty when the war will come to an end. 9 Al-Shabaab militias were killed on Thursday following an ambush on the Kenya army that is fast advancing towards Kismayo. Samuel Tarwish, GBS News.